Hey puddings! Today the video is the part 2 of my Harley Quinn Classic Cosplay, where I show you all about my outfit. The part 1, I saw you the hairstyle and the makeup. That's so cute! But firstly, do it yourself the Harley Quinn leather shoes for the cosplay. So come on board to play with me, squad! For customization your Harley Quinn leather shoes, I'm using the matte acrylic paint in red and black and some brushes. Let's try it again. The dress code for this cosplay is my fantabulous black and white outfit, my pair of gloves, and I do it too, my pair of shoes of course. And I'm mixing the classic version with Suicide Squad style, so I have some accessories that I use at my Suicide Squad cosplay. Just it! That's all, puddings! Tell me here below in the comments what is your favorite version of Harley Quinn and what do you think about my classic cosplay, okay guys? And don't forget to subscribe here at the channel and like the videos to be part of my Puddins squad. The link for the part 1 is now in the description of the video. Okay squad? Kiss ya, puddings!